Okay, so here is part 2. We'll continue from 3, step F. Select cells A4 to B10, copy them to the clipboard. Okay, we're just going to copy them, and then we'll skip down here and I'll show you how to paste just the values. Okay, oops. So A4 to B10, Command C, and select D4. We're going to 2-finger click D4. We're going to go paste special, and we're just going to click the values. Okay, we're going to hit OK. Boom, and that's what you want. See, that matches up here also. So step 4, use concat. We've used that before. It's actually concatenate. So we're going to click on the summary sheet. We'll select cell A5 and go from there. Summaries down here. Cell A5. Okay, concatenate with D4 on the technician sheet. Okay, so we're going to hit equals, and we're going to type concatenate. All right, and then we're going to go back to the technician sheet and hit D4. Okay, that's all it said we wanted. All right, and it says, so that's B, because that's text 1 argument. C says the text 2 argument is a comma and a space. Okay, so if you notice right here, it's got quotations, comma, space, quotations. Okay, so up here we're going to look at our formula bar. Okay, and we're just going to hit comma, and then we're going to hit, parentheses, no, quotations, comma, space, and then close quotation. And that's the data for text 2. So then we're going to hit comma again, because now that moves us to text 3. So basically what this function does is it says, I'm going to take this value, I'm going to add whatever text 2 is, and then, and so forth. And so it's like making a sentence out of little fragments. Okay, so then we did this. So D says the text 3 argument is cell E4 on the technician sheet. So we have text 3 already open, so we're going to click E4. Okay. And it says copy the formula to display the remaining names and preserve the borders. Okay, so after we did this, we're going to close the parentheses and then hit enter, and boom, there it has it. Okay, if you can see that, it says Boyd was that first text, comma, space, and then James. All right, so that's how the function works. So we're just going to copy this down all the way down. Okay. And that's what it should look like up through E. All right. And let's see here. Step 5, use sum ifs to total number of patients by procedure and technician. So we're going to click on the procedures tab, and we're going to name the cells A5 to F41 as data. So what was it? Procedures tab. Procedures, cells A5? Yes, A5 to A41. Numerical trick, shift command to the right, shift command down. Boom, got all that data. So we're going to come up here, type it as data, and hit enter. So that's what it should be. So now, if this is ever selected, it'll come up as data. You need that one. Okay. Now we're going to click on Summary Sheet and select cell C5. Summary Sheet, cell C5. Okay. And it says use sum ifs, okay, to cells D5 to D41 on the procedure sheet for the sum range. Okay. So just follow me. Okay. So we're going to hit equals, and we're going to hit sum ifs. And we're going to go to procedures, and it says D D5 to D41. So we're going to basically copy this box right here. I didn't do it on the first time around and it screwed me up, so we're just going to stick to this because this is the answer. So D5 to D41. So D5 is right there. Shift, Command down. Okay, I don't know why that's not highlighting right. Oh, there it goes. Okay. And then we're going to hit Command T, and that puts all the money signs in. All right. So now we're going to hit comma, move on to the next argument, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1, procedures E5, E41 with the money references. So E5 is right here. Shift, Command down, grabs that whole column. Hit Command T, boom, puts all those money signs in there. Hit comma again. Criteria 1 is MRI, quotations, MRI, quotations. So you're going to type that in. So quotation, MRI, quotation, comma. Then we're going to go to criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 is procedures A5 to A41. So procedures is this tab, which we're already on. A5 is right there. Shift, Command down, and then hit Command T, and it puts those money references in, and then hit a comma. And then for criteria 2, we're going to type asterisk Boyd asterisk. And what that means is that when your function looks for this data, it's looking for anything, it looks for Boyd in any of the data description. So the asterisk means anything before it, before this data, and this other asterisk means anything after it, as long as there's Boyd in there. So that's what we'll do. Okay, so we'll hit asterisk, B-O-Y-D, asterisk. Okay, and that should do it. We're going to close the quotation, or parenthesis, hit enter. Uh-oh. Doesn't like our formula. Why? I don't understand. Oh, it didn't like the Boyd thing. Maybe there needs to be a space in here. Let's see. Let's see if that was it. Nope. Uh-oh. Well. Okay, so now I figured out how to the way around that. So this last part in our formula is fine. Hit quotations there, hit quotations there. Make sure that the asterisk and Boyd and asterisk are inside those quotations, no spaces, and hit enter. And boom, that gives you that answer. Okay. Shoot. All right. So then it says copy and edit. It says copy and edit the sum if formulas to start a new formula. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do that on the next video.